BTS.
Darcei!
Hey there. Hey guys. Hi. So today I'm back with another edition of trying the darkest shade of a Korean foundation. Today we are going to be reviewing the collaboration between VT Cosmetics and BTS. Did y'all ask me to try this foundation? No. But did VT Cosmetics ask me to try this foundation? They sure did. And that's why we're here today. A few months ago, I got an email from VT Cosmetics asking me to do a review on a new secret collaboration that was coming out in the next couple of months. So basically they said they had a collaboration coming out with someone who was like really big and famous, but they couldn't say who it was, but we all knew it was BTS. That's who they did their last collaborations with. That's who they're collaborating with right now. It's BTS. So we knew it was BTS. You ain't gotta say it's a secret, okay? I guess for whatever legal purposes or something, in the email they said that it was a secret and they couldn't say. This was actually like an email chain kind of thing, so it wasn't that they just personally sent this email to me. They sent it to a whole bunch of influencers, of which I could see all of the people that they sent it to. It was like a mass email type of thing. One of the influencers on the chain, who shall remain nameless, hit reply all instead of reply. They asked the brand what their budget was for this particular collaboration, and they replied saying that they do not have a budget for this collaboration. At which point I was like, I don't work for free, boo-boo. So that was a few months ago. That was like sometime during the summer, and I just never thought about it again until I saw the collaboration come out and I saw people starting to review it. So I saw swatches on Twitter, which I will post here, of the foundation in particular, and I was surprised that it comes in so many shades. I was like, what the heck? I feel like the last collaboration had like one shade, one or two. I thought it was so funny that they wanted to send me this foundation, so I picked it up myself. I bought it online. So VT Cosmetics, you wanted me to do a review. Here it is. So I'm gonna open this up. It comes in like this cool purple bottle, and it has a dropper. That is the color there. Next to my face, looking a little pasty. This is the darkest shade that it comes in. This is number 6. This is the official VT Cosmetics website, so it's gonna be in Korean. Here's BTS. Oh my god, fangirls, stop screaming. So here we are, Glorious Gloria Powerdation. That's not a word. Here is like a photo of a before and after. So it looks like it's supposed to have pretty good coverage. Scroll down further. It'll show you the kind of the color swatches. And what I find really helpful about this particular color swatch is that it tells you exactly what the color ranges are. Porcelain number 1 is gonna be 13 to 17. First of all, does that exist in a human? When I was looking at the swatches, the number 1 literally looks like whiteout. Like not really pale skin, like whiteout. Like a sheet of paper. Ain't nobody looking like a sheet of paper, fam. So this is the color that I have, almond number 6. And the range is from 30 to 35. I don't know how they expect one foundation to fit 6 shades of people. And secondly, I knew going into this that this would not be my shade because I am a shade 37 in Korean foundations, and this is supposed to be 30 to 35. And when they say 30 to 35, they probably just mean 30. I wanted to try it out just to see what they were gonna send me, what they thought would fit me. And if you scroll down further, they have all these special ingredients that are in it. It's got jojoba oil. Girl, oh my gosh, could this also be good for my hair? So before I proceed, I just want to make this 100% clear that I am not trying to make fun of Korean brands. Literally the only reason why I am reviewing this particular foundation is because VT Cosmetics wanted me to review it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been interested in it. Just by looking at other reviews and looking online, I knew it was gonna be too light for me, and I also knew that it was gonna be way too pink. When I open the bottle up, you can see It's so pink. But we're gonna try this foundation on anyway. We're gonna see what the finish is like. We're gonna see just how bad the color match is. I'm going to apply this with a brush and a sponge. So brush on one side, sponge on the other. I'm gonna apply this to my hand first. As you can see, color difference, holy crapola. I'm gonna take my MAC 190 brush and dip that in there. This is what they wanted me to review. This is what they wanted me to review! I don't even know if I should proceed with this. I'm just sitting here contemplating my whole life. First of all, there's actually a lot of coverage on this thing. I'm surprised. And the finish is really, oh my, here come the white face comments. The finish is actually very nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. That coverage though. Okay, honey, can I just say the way that this is covering my dark circles, I could use this as a color corrector. Not even kidding right now. This ain't even white face, this is pink face. Looking like a pig. Looking like Babe in the City. Okay. Honestly, I don't know why I'm still doing this, but I prefer the side that I did with the sponge. Looks a lot better with the finish. I'm just gonna finish this side off with the sponge. Yeah. Beauty blender, give me strength, please. I'm just gonna keep going. Just gonna keep going. Okay, can this be saved? I'm gonna say no, but we're still gonna do it. So I'm gonna take my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, which is my actual color. Let's look at the difference. I'm not joking right now. This could legitimately work as a color corrector because that's how pink it is. Excuse my unsecured wig. So we're gonna go straight into the rest of my makeup and then I'm gonna come back. Bitch, I don't know how I finessed this, but I did. I really think that the Too Faced Born This Way concealer saved this. There is a big difference between my neck and my face, but just looking at my face straight on, you can't really tell that I'm wearing a foundation that's like 7 shades too late. I also put on a little bit of bronzer around the jawline and a tiny bit on my cheeks, but I'm mostly just wearing blush. The warm shade of the eyeshadow is probably saving it as well. So you can pull this together, but I mean, there's so many foundations out there, there's no point in buying this. Like I said, literally, this is so pink that you could use it as a color corrector. I just want to finish this video off with giving like a little bit of constructive criticism because I don't want to have this video come off as if I'm like bashing the company, because I'm totally not. From the look of my skin, this foundation is actually really nice and the coverage is really nice as well. The only issue that I have is that way too pink. So pink. The pinkest I ever done seen, girl. I feel like what they're trying to do is give like some sort of brightening effect, but you just end up looking gray. And clearly when they reached out to me and other influencers, they were looking for an international audience because they were talking to people who speak English, who are not living in Korea, who are not Korean. Clearly they're looking for an international audience. BTS has a huge international audience, so clearly that's what they were going for. If they wanted to make something that I could use and my audience could use, then they should listen to whatever constructive criticism that I am giving them. I'm really happy that they expanded their foundation line. That is awesome. But when you expand the foundation line, you really need to think about the audience, and I really don't think that they're very educated on who the audience is. Recently, the YouTuber Jella, she did a collection with Holika. Well, not a collection, but she did a foundation. I actually just bought that right before I started filming this video. I just bought it, so it's in the mail on the way to me, and I will have a review on that as well. And it's the right undertone. It's that yellow undertone that Jella has. The pink undertones can work a little bit with a little bit better with lighter skin tones, but once you get to skin tones that are as dark as mine or around my color, the pink undertones are just a no. It's just a no. It's just extremely obvious. It just looks bad. So I feel like they're trying to take whatever ideas they have for the lighter shades that they've always been doing, that have worked, that have sold really well, and they're trying to translate it into the darker shades, but it just doesn't work. It's not appealing to the international audiences that have darker skin. I'm not saying get rid of the pink undertones because I'm sure there are some people who like them, but can we get something with a yellow undertone as well? That's all I'm trying to say. Obviously, this is not going to be my go-to foundation. I have tons of other foundations that I really like. You know, girl, I'm still gonna stick to my Nors, okay? And that's my little PSA for today. If you do want to pick up this foundation, it is in the description box below as usual. Thank you so much for watching. Give this one a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Let me know what else you want me to review in the comments below, because girl, I'm on my review game, okay? Just want to say thank you so much for 100,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. I'm gonna be having my 100,000 subscriber giveaway soon. Just waiting for stuff to come in the mail because currently Canada Post is on strike and it's ruining my whole life. Okay, it's ruining my life. Anyways, guys, I love you so much.